Would you like to participate in IDOs with just one POOLX token? Let's see how we can do that. In my previous video, I talked about Poolz Finance and mentioned the tier levels. Currently, at Poolz Finance, you can participate in IDOs with just one POOLX token without going through KYC. Participating in this way doesn't guarantee a purchase, but the chances of winning the lottery are not as low as you might think. I will guide you on how to do this in a very simple way. To perform this transaction, you should have about $78 worth of BNB in your account. We will buy POOLX with $4.50. In the first step, we will purchase POOLX through the PancakeSwap site. To make the swap, I get it from the CoinMarketCap site to the contract address on POOLX's BNB network. I paste the contract address into PancakeSwap and confirm. Now, I'm ready to buy POOLX tokens. One token is sufficient for me. I click on the swap button and then confirm the swap. From MetaMask, I need to approve this swap. I give my approval. While the transaction is in progress, I can add the POOLX token to my MetaMask wallet, so I should confirm this. I'm waiting for the transaction to be confirmed. Yes, the transaction has been confirmed. I now have one POOLX token in my MetaMask account. In the second step, I will lock one POOLX on Poolz Finance. To do this, I go to the website and click on the Lock POOLX button. I can press the Approve button. After doing this, I will receive a spending permission notification from MetaMask. I confirm the transaction. Now I need to press the Lock button. There's another notification. By clicking the Confirm button, I confirm this transaction. As you can see, my transaction is completed. I have locked one POOLX token in the system. Look below. There are tiers. Since I locked one POOLX, I am in the lottery ticket category. The third step is to apply for IDOs. I go to the home page and navigate to the screen where IDOs are located. Here, there are upcoming projects. The nearest project is Forward Protocol. I will apply for this. To apply, I need to use the Join Whitelist button on this screen. I confirm this action and apply for the whitelist. Now, I have a ticket for this project. You can also apply for other projects. Poolz Finance has significantly reduced the fee required for whitelist applications. Therefore, with a small fee, you can join many projects. The projects you join will be visible in the whitelist section. Don't expect your application to appear immediately because it takes some time. To find out if you have won, you need to use this whitelist screen. If you win, your purchase right will be visible here. Now you know how to participate in IDOs. I have another surprise for you besides IDOs. You can also participate in Poolz Boost events. Let me show you. Poolz Boost is a reward section where you can earn by doing simple tasks, just like an airdrop. For example, let's look at the TWT event. 100 people will be randomly selected, and participants will earn 157 TWT. The number of participants does not become as high as you might think. For instance, there are 427 participants here, so your chances of being selected are not very low. To participate in this event, you need to complete the tasks on the right side. Really simple tasks. By doing these tasks, you will accumulate points. In some airdrops, the first 20 or the first 50 people receive rewards. In others, winners are randomly selected. What you need to do is to accumulate points by doing simple tasks. Let's look at the AXS event. The reward here is 21 AXS. In this event as well, 100 people will be randomly selected. I can earn 1 point by visiting the AXS website. To do this, I go to the site. After the site opens, I need to go back and click the Verify button, and thus I have 1 point. The second task is also a website visit. As you can see, easy tasks are given, and you can try your luck. The end dates of the events are written in the section above. According to these dates, you can follow the process. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.